9:15 in punto na po ng umaga. Big word kapag narinig natin ang salitang stem cell.
Grabe.
Oo.
Talagang ano ka pa, babiyahe ka pa abroad.
Germany, di ba? Silang nagpasimuno niyan
Parang
eh.
sheep yata yun eh.
Oo,
no?
sheep.
Stem
Oo.
cell ng sheep yung ano dati, di ba?
So, yun na nga, no? Pag narinig natin yung word stem cell, big word yan. Di lang sa salita, kundi pati sa bulsa.
Yes!
Napakamahal, milyon, 1 milyon daw at the very least. Can afford lang ang mga may K, pero sa pagkakatunito, dito lang po natin sa ASPN madidiscover po ang uniqueness po ng isang produkto na nakakagaling po ng mga sakit, nakakasigla, nakakaganda, yan ang hilig ko, at higit sa lahat ginagawang mas affordable. Pero bago natin po malalaman kung ano ito, panoorin muna natin itong video na ito.
Noong January 2005, nagkaroon ng mild stroke si Tito Sammy. Ito ay naging dahilan sa pagtigil niya sa kanyang trabaho bilang isang civil engineer. Sa hindi magandang pagkakataon, noong June 2021, nakitaan ng tumor sa utak si Tito Sammy. Sabi ng mga doktor, hindi na ito pwedeng maoperahan dahil sobra itong delikado. Dahil sa kalagayan ng kanyang kalusugan, siya ay nagkakaroon ng seizure na kada 5 minuto at tumatagal ito ng 30 seconds. Nahihirapan na din siyang makakilala. Siya ay nakakalimot at utal-utal na ang kanyang pananalita. Noong May 2022, may isang magandang balita para kay Tito Sammy. Unang linggo ng pag-inom niya ng Elixir Placenta, ay nakitaan na kaya na niyang galawin ang kanyang mga binti at ang kanyang seizure ay nabawasan na. Tuloy-tuloy ang kanyang pagaling at dahan-dahan na niyang naigagalaw pati ang kanyang mga braso. Sa puntong ito, wala na ang kanyang mga seizures. Nakakapagsalita na siya ng maayos at nakakakilala na din sa mga tao sa kanyang paligid. Pagkatapos ng 2 buwan ng pag-inom ng Elixir Placenta, si Tito Sammy ay nakakaupo na sa kanyang wheelchair at bumalik na ang kanyang sigla. Kaya naman hindi na niya pinapalagpas ang mga pagkakataon na mag-Bible study kasama ang kanyang mga kapatiran sa Panginoon.
Taas mo isang kamay mo, Sam. Taas mo isang kamay mo. Ayun. Ganyan na po ang kanyang improvement. Yan, nakakaupo na siya mag-isa. Hindi na siya yung natutuwad. At wala na totally ang kanyang seizures. Salta ka nga para malaman nila. Kasi dati po ay naggargar-yan, talagang hindi siya kapagsalita.
Salamat po. Thank you. And God bless you.
Ayan.
Pagkalipas ng 6 na buwan, sinubukan na ni Tito Sammy na tumayo. Sa tulong ng Elixir Placenta at sa kanyang pananalig sa Diyos, ay walang imposible sa kanyang lubos na paggaling.
Amazing
Oo,
naman.
ang galing, no? Very ano siya.
Oo nga. To know more about this premium product, ang Elixir Placenta, marami na siyempre nag-iisip, ano ba yung stem cell na yan? Para ipaliwanag po sa atin, we have here Dr. Francis Decangchon, Medical Director po ng Asian Center for Ageless Beauty and also the Medical Endorser of Elixir Placenta. At kasama po rin po niya si Miss Clemar, May 14, Registered Nurse Company Product Trainer.
Ayan.
Miss May.
And Dr. Francis, good morning and,
And Dr.
welcome
Francis.
dito sa ASPN. Kasi pinapanood namin yung VTR, nakakagulat no? Yung makikita mo talaga yung transformation, bedridden, tapos biglang after sabi nyo nga 6 months, nakakalakad na. Ang tanong ko, how sure are you na you are attributing it dito sa Elixir Placenta? Bakit sa Elixir Placenta nyo inattribute yung kanyang pagkagaling, Doktor?
Well, good morning, Pat P. Good morning, Ali. Good morning to all your viewers, mga tigapakinig nyo. And, well, during this test, trials, this patient was one of the recipients of the Elixir Placenta at that time. No? Climar can tell us more about the trials that we made actually.
Sige.
Yeah, actually noon, nag-try lang siya ng Elixir Placenta, 1 bottle, and he is taking 2 capsules a day. And that is morning and then sa gabi. Yeah. And then nakitaan na ng progress, and then continuously nagtitake na siya ng Elixir Placenta because sobrang abrupt yung change eh. And he was really, the case is really hopeless talaga. That time, sobrang yung family talagang inisip nila na baka ito na yung last chance niya, 'di ba? Pero after taking the stem cell therapy with the Elixir Placenta, talagang naging hopeful yung buong family.
And he was taking the same regimen, same medications, except the Elixir Placenta.
So yun lang
that
yung
came
bago
in.
na in-introduce sa
Yun lang
kanya,
ang,
yung Elixir
kakaiba.
Placenta.
Yeah, well, kanina I wanted to ask na nga kasi marami sa ating nanonood at nakikinig, hindi alam ano ba yung stem cell. Ano ang stem cell therapy? Paano yan nakakatulong? Kamukha nga dito, grabe, very severe itong kaso.
Yeah, dramatic,
Ni
yeah.
Tito Sammy talagang brain tumor and all that. We go down to the basics para lang they have a firmer grasp of what we're talking about.
Okay, ang stem cell therapy is a method of therapy where you regenerate, okay, new healthy cells, repair and rejuvenate and regenerate damaged cells. No, doon sa mga hindi nakakaintindi masyado, I like to put it in its proper perspective. For example, at birth, pinanganak ka, you have a lot of stem cells, almost 100% stem cells. And this will proceed to become bone cells, muscle cells, kaya tayo lumalaki. No? We grow taller. And typically, pag tayo ay nasugatan, for example, no, yung sugat natin, the body calls these stem cells to go to that wound. No? Now, stem cells act on it, nagkakaroon ng scarring. This is stem cells. No? Then, you have bone fractures. The body calls the stem cells to produce osteocytes or bone cells to repair the fracture. Muscle tears, okay? So, andun yun. This plays all the way until we age and age. And as you know, when we age, there are studies to show that at age 35 years old, we only have 50% of our stem cells.
Oh, 35.
35.
Age 35.
At age 60 years old, 90% of our stem cells are almost gone.
What? Sa akin yun. Ako, 61 na ako. Parang
So-
90% ng stem cells ko.
Wala na,
Okay,
gone
Doc,
na.
sige, maraming salamat po.
Yes. And so, obviously, as we age, we have lesser stem cells.
Yes.
Lesser stem cells means you age faster. And the older we get, the lesser stem cells and the poorer our healing will be. No? Mas matagal. So, definitely, we need something to replenish our stem cells.
repair and
To
to
repair,
repair.
yes.
Oo.
Hindi
Oo.
lamang yung damage, no? But
Yes,
also
that's true.
To repair.
Not only yung dun sa sakit yung sa punto ng iba would be
Yes,
beauty.
yes.
I know a lot of my friends do stem cell. Because they want to retard. Gusto nilang ma-delay yung
Slow down.
aging, no?
Slow
So they
down
look
the aging.
younger
Yes,
for a
that's
longer
true.
period of time.
That's
Correct?
true, yes.
And how does that work for beauty?
Yes, I'll go to that. Initially, what we showed you is, of course, Ali was showing the product. No? It has 14 active ingredients. No? I think out of the 14 active ingredients, most of these, the raw materials are sourced from different countries. Specifically, we have Germany, Portugal, where we have squalene. And of course, from Asia, Taiwan, we have red ginseng from Korea. And of course, the highlight of this product, which is our dear placenta coming from the pristine, pollution-free New Zealand. So this is it. No? This has also about 3 main therapies that we are proud of. No? Ito yung stem cell therapy. And then it has DNA therapy and anti-inflammatory therapy. Each one synergistically acting together to heighten the effects, benefits of the active ingredients so that it has better effects. Okay, and of course, the most important thing, I will not be endorsing this product if it is not FDA approved.
Correct.
It is
That's the
approved
best.
by
Oo,
FDA.
FDA.
Oo. So ano, Miss 14,
Yeah,
gusto yung pangalan niya talaga, Miss 14, Miss na
Parang pelikula ni Gina
Yung ano, how did you come up with one capsule na yung binanggit nga ni Dr. Francis na for the 3 therapies? Ano yung ano sa inyo na, sige, pagsama-sama natin ito, paano to get the full benefit of this capsule?
Yes, Miss Pat, no.
Oo.
Most of the stem cell therapies nowadays just only have one therapy, and that is stem cell therapy. But for GFAX International, we really made it 3 therapies.
Okay.
And sabi nga ni Doc Francis, it also has 14 ingredients, no? And our CEO and also the president of GFAX International, Mr. David Tan, really wanted to have a holistic approach. That's why we have 14 ingredients. And he wanted to have a complete na rin na package talaga siya na ipe-present din. And we just launched it nung July 2022. Pero grabe po talaga, no? We have been receiving a lot of testimonials. We have been receiving a lot of good feedback about this product.
Yung ano, yung kwento kasi ni Tito Sabi na may brain tumor and like from bedridden within
Medyo.
6 months,
Oo,
you can see
nakakalakad
na talagang
nakatayo.
finally tumatayo. And that was a powerful testimonial. Pero doctor, kwentuhan mo pa nga kami ng ano ng mga testimonials about your product.
Yeah. Okay.
Si Climar, who wants to share?
I think it will be shown.
Yeah,
we will show it maybe.
Yeah, since we have been also distributing this one to the public, marami na rin mga testimonials. Like for example, we have myoma. Ayan, no, dati talagang heavy yung menstruation niya. And now talagang naging okay na po. Na-regulate na yung kanyang menstruation. And if you can see sa ating feed dito, no, na may mga acne rin siya before. Ayan. And then now, talagang naging glowing na yung skin niya. Ayan. So, na-regulate din yung kanyang hormone. And then, we also have autoimmune disease, which is vasculitis. Ayan. Dati, sobrang dami niyang rashes. Ayan, makikita niyo, no? Ang dami niyang rashes sa legs part niya. Pero, after taking the Elixir Placenta, nawala yung rashes niya. And then, sabi ng attending physician niya po, no, if the rashes is gone, then the inflammation is also gone. And then, we also have stroke patient, no, na dati talagang nakaupo lang din siya. Pero ngayon, nakakalakad na po yung stroke patient po natin. So, it's not only that, we also have hypertension, we also have diabetes. Ayan, di ba, Doc?
Yes.
Okay.
This because of the active ingredients like Angelica sinensis, which is very good for females, no? The hormone regulation, may mga PCOS, no? It improves kasi ang dami
For
natin.
menopausal women.
Yes, it does address,
Kasi
no?
yung
Menopausal,
hormonal,
hot
diba?
flashes. I always tell my wife she's still hot, but they come in flashes.
That's funny,
Cynthia, hello.
She's hot, but she comes in
Tawang-tawa ka doon, Pati,
Because I never experienced it, honestly. I'm so happy.
Flashes,
I never got hot
it
flashes.
addresses this, no? Yung mga ganon changes. Even for the male population,
Male
the
menopause.
erectile dysfunction, yeah, all of this, no?
Erectile dysfunction.
Yes, it does, it does.
Age talaga, no? Mga
part
problema
of,
ng age.
So, it is a holistic, that's what Climar was saying.
Okay,
a while ago.
Climar, maybe you can help explain bakit naging affordable and how does one avail of this? Is this available in pharmacy stores, mga Mercury, ano? Saan nila nakukuha? And when you say affordable, how is it different from going, let's say, to Germany to have a stem cell operation, if that is what you call it? Sige
Yeah,
po.
that's right, no? As we all know, stem cell therapy is really expensive. And as you have said, Ms. Pat, talagang pupunta pa sa ibang bansa just to have this stem cell therapy. But for GFAX International, we really made it affordable, and it comes in a capsule form, no? And the CEO and President, Mr. David Tan, talagang gusto niya na i-promote talaga ito sa public.
They're more medical yung ano.
Well, I'll just want to add something, you know, like Now, stem cells are already declared a cure for certain diseases. It's accepted, no? It is a cure, for example, specifically for lymphoma or cancer of lymph nodes. It is a cure for forms of leukemia, okay, for aplastic anemia. It is a cure for these problems, no? And multiple myeloma, which is also a cancer of plasma cells. So, just to add to this, no, I do surgeries, beauty surgeries.
Ayun pala pa yung calling card, Doc.
Yes, later on, we can discuss that, no, for the holidays. Magda-downtime tayo. And what I'm seeing is, I have been doing surgeries to make you beautiful externally.
Yeah.
For me, this completes the whole thing, the whole package, because this beautifies the inner
internal
beauty.
organs.
Ito lang ang nakita ko na, oh, ito na yon. This completes everything. Because you can be beautiful outside, pero you feel something different inside. Di ba?
Nagde-degenerate yung mga
That's
cells
true.
mo.
You feel
It
old.
exudes outside, the beauty. So I think we have found something. We call it a game changer, no? Sabi nga nila.
That's so exciting, ha? Dr. Francis and Miss Catorce, nice having you. And talaga sana nga holiday season talaga gumanda lang, hindi lang ating mukha, pero pati ang kalooban natin.
Right.
Di ba yung iba, di ba, makikita mo iba yung halos wala pang demensya.
Oo nga eh.
That's true.
Wala pang demensya.
Nakakatulong,
And we
no?
can rattle off names. Kaya lang, pero hindi naman kasi Elixir sila talagang gumastos ng milyon-milyon yung mga yon.
Correct.
Okay.
Maraming salamat.
Maraming salamat
Thank you very much.
for being on ASPN. Thank you so much.
Wish you luck talaga. Sana talaga makalat nyo ang Elixir Placenta para maging mas ma-healthy ang mga Pilipino.